new skincare products, Ulta sale, plus new K-Beauty skincare. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for tuning in today. On my channel, I cover makeup and skincare, occasionally fashion and travel. Basically things that make you feel more fabulous at any age. Well, it's January and Ulta has this big skin event. For the first 21 days of January, they have specials every day, different items 50% off. Plus, before Christmas, I went to the Korean beauty store in Northern Virginia and I got this, which I'm trying for the first time, Snail Trusika Miracle Repair Starter Kit. So, what do I think? What are all these products? Are they worth the money? Are they worth the hype? And what else does Ulta have for you this month? Stay tuned. So before I get into any of the things that I bought at Ulta or the things that are coming up on sale, I want to show you this. I found this at the Korean store a few weeks ago. This is called Snail Trusika. And in Korean skincare, snail mucin is a primary ingredient for smoothing wrinkles, for improving the health of the skin, firming, getting rid of acne. It's supposed to be like a miracle ingredient. Yep, that's right, snail mucin. Okay, and I wasn't sure what Trusika is, so I looked it up. And according to this, it is a trademark ingredient consisting of tea tree, Centella asiatica, and mugwort. And that these ingredients help to soothe skin, calm redness, and strengthen the skin barrier. So the combination of snail mucin and Trusika is, according to this, supposed to be a miracle skin repair formula. I've been using it for a couple of weeks. Not really found any miracles. I already did a little bit with the cleanser. It comes with a cleanser, a toner, a serum, and a repair cream. Now I've already used the cleanser and the toner first thing this morning. I'm going to try a little bit of the serum before anything else. And it's just a sort of thick gel-like consistency, just a tiny bit. While I don't find any major miraculous changes because of this thing, it does seem to actually make the skin feel firm and soft and smooth when I'm using it. So I'm going to continue using it for a little while, and at least use up this starter kit that I bought. Well, the first items I bought from the latest Ulta sale was this Lancome Advanced Genifique eye cream and this tan-luxe the face, something I've never tried before. I'm going to start with this Lancome. I haven't used this particular eye cream. I have used other Lancome skincare products and really liked them. So I thought I'd give this a try. It was half price. Just put a small dot. Right now there's plenty on here. And just taking the finger and lightly touching it around the eye. And letting the skin absorb this. Now this really got my curiosity. I normally don't do any kind of self-tanning on the face. I'm worried about it being sort of smudgy or spotty. But this item is illuminating self-tan drops. And the concept behind this is you can put as little or as many, up to anywhere from 1 to 12. Mix it with your moisturizer and then spread it all over your face. You're not supposed to use it by itself or you will get spotting. I'm going to try it. It's the middle of winter here. My skin is starting to look a little bit pasty, so I think this might help a little. I'm going to just take this, actually the number 7 Menopause Skincare Moisturizers, and put a good amount of this in the palm of my hand. And I'm going to start with just 2 drops. Let's see, 1, 2, okay. And then just take my fingers and blend this together really good. And just get it on my fingers and just sort of rub this in. Make sure it blends down onto my neck. Okay, I'm just going to massage this into the skin. It says actually recommends using circular motions. Get the hair out of the way, that would help. Okay, I'm going to just let it sit for a few minutes and absorb and then put on the rest of my makeup. Different cat today. Sansa's in my room. Okay, it seems to have dried pretty well. I did my brows while it was drying. And so far, just very subtle. I think a little tiny bit of a glow. But I'm going to go ahead and put on my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, my makeup is done. I did not put on any sculpting or contouring products or any bronzer today. Just a little bit of blush highlighter and a very minimum on my eyes and lips. Really natural look today. I want to let this tan glow. So I look forward to seeing how long this lasts. Like I said, I just used 2 drops, very subtle, but I do feel like it makes me look a little more tan, a little healthier in this cold winter weather. So I'm liking that so far. Now that was just what I found yesterday during this Ulta sale. Let me show you a little bit about what's coming up. Well, here's the catalog for the Ulta Beauty Love Your Skin event, which actually started the first day of January. I spent so much during November and December. I've been trying to curb my spending a little during January, so I've actually missed out on some great deals. Early this month, they had something from Fresh, from IT Cosmetics, Skin Iceland, Juice Beauty, something called Zip Sticka Goo Getter. I don't know what that is. Maylee's Cosmetics, Shiseido, First Aid Beauty, Beauty Bio. I missed all of that. I did go in on the 8th and I got the Lancome Advanced Genetique Wrinkle and Dark Circle Eye Cream, and I got the tan-luxe Face and Body Drops. Today they had something from Strivectin, which I already have, and they have Exuberance Age Reverse tomorrow. I may go get that. Then Wednesday, Meaningful Beauty Youth Activation Melon Serum, Elizabeth Arden Hyaluronic Acid Ceramide Capsules, Urban Skin RX. Thursday, Perricone MD plus First Aid Beauty. Friday, things from Murad, another product from Lancome. Next Saturday, Kylie Skin Cleansers, Dermalogica, Peter Thomas Roth. All these big name brands are on sales each day. Next Sunday, Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Cream, OCA Algae Body Oil, and something from Tula Filter Primer. Again, and then next week, Dermaflash, Origins, Peach and Lily Glass Skin. I got that before, really liked it. Sierra Vital, Sand and Sky, Indie Lee, bunch of stuff there. Elemis and Tarte. Beekman, Kopari on Friday, and Maria Badescu and Clarence and Clinique all on the last Saturday, the 21st. So many things coming up this month. A lot of ways to treat your skin. Well, so far, I'm really liking the things I've bought from the Ulta sale. This Lancome Genifique Yo Eye Cream and the tan-luxe Self-Illuminating Tan Drops. Also, I'm really enjoying this that I got from the Korean beauty store, Snail Trusika Miracle Repair Starter Kit. They also have this on Amazon. I'll put a link. Well, I don't think any of this is really a miracle product that's going to change your skin instantly. They're all good at keeping it healthy, firming, toning. Hello, Sansa. Well, that's the video for today. If you liked it, give me and Sansa a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.